After this, and we'll go over it again, fine-tooth combing.
I think we should go in there.
You never know, you know, once I thought, you know, I've definitely heat sunk it or let her cycle many times, and it's not the same as when you get out here and get the RPM really up there and put the engine through a hell of a workout, right? Aren't used much anymore. They might be going over. Might have some overgrowth, boys and
girls. This looks tight.
Technical, so a lot of big holes and boulders underneath. You don't want to be rushing your way out. I remember this big drop-in ledge. The ice is, no, it's not bad. Seemed a lot bigger on the King Quad. I don't know.
Why it's deep?
Well, here's the thing. I've been warned about this one multiple times. Apparently it's pretty deep at some point.
Right here.
Hey?
Right here.
This comes out where the bus line was. Do you remember? Or not the bus line, but I said down there, there's big. Comes out over there. Never done it. In the spring, I want to try it. Look at it. That's all water.
It's all water.
The whole fucking thing is all water. All you can see.
Lots of ice then, eh? Looks like
people are walking on it. This is a snowmobile trail, eh? Once it freezes.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I didn't expect all this ice.
Ice? Break the ice.
I mean, you could try.
Gotta go easy. That's not deep though.
Eh?
That ain't fucking deep though.
No. Don't think so. Don't know. It's soft. It's soft underneath
Very much. Yeah.
and ice on top. Bad combination. I'd get off and check it out first. There's a hole there. You don't want to go in like that. You want to go straight. That's fucking not good.
I think you just gotta hit her straight on, that's it.
I think so.
Just like this.
Like, there seems to be quite the hole there, bud.
Hey.
You can see they went that way too. Whoa! Oh, I don't know, bud.
Breaking ice, boys.
Oh, she's dropping. Oh, fuck that. Oh, buddy. You should be depth finding.
Alright.
Hey, crazy bastard.
She's
Not
soft
too-
underneath, eh?
Hey?
I said she is soft underneath.
Well, that's what I'm worried about.
It's like I'm on a fucking log here or something.
Look at you. Fuck, it might get deeper, bud.
Ooh, that is soft right there, boy.
It's getting deeper, too.
Oh, it's squishy.
Yeah, get out of there.
How can I now? I pretty well have to go this way.
I don't know, bud. What if it gets deeper?
I thought we're going this way.
Like, fuck.
I thought that's what we're doing.
Like, not, no, I said in the fucking spring. It's not spring yet.
It ain't that deep.
Oh,
You just gotta hit it with some speed.
hit it with some speed. I don't think the ice will hold us. That's my biggest problem. And look
Come
at
on, you
that.
little fucker.
Look at that. Oh, I don't want to get in there, Tom.
You got it.
Right on that log.
Yeah. Fucking old log.
Yeah.
Different approach.
Hold on. Hold on. Oh, that's nasty.
Hey?
She smells. Hey?
Well, I don't have much of a choice now, buddy.
Well, no, but I don't know if this ice is going to hold and how deep it is there. And...
Jump in.
I'd rather not. Oh, this is a dirty hole. Look at that, boys. That's fucking hilarious. Oh, I think you gotta go backwards, bud. You're killing me.
Hey?
You're killing me. You gotta get through, right? Oh, yeah, I got a hole in my fucking waders. I can't go in there. She's right there. Where is it there? I don't know. Just needs a little lift on the ascent.
There's a log right here too.
Is there? And a big sheet of ice. Yeah, she's soft on her. Oh, she's coming. She's coming along, bud. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on.
I got it.
Can you pass that log to me? Hold on, I got it. Whoa! Don't nail it. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Another one?
Yeah. It's got to pull under fender. You're right. Try now.
Is it out?
I'm going to hold it down. Hold on. Yeah, going to go that way. Nope. Yeah, you're on that fucking log that I'm trying to hold down.
Oh yeah.
Oh, fuck it. Gotta get it out.
Feels like there's a log being...
There is. Hold on. Hold on. Damn it, I didn't want to get my hands. Yeah.
Give her a bite. Give her a bite. Come on in with a bite. Hey.
She should come out now, bud.
It's pretty soft. That's all right. I'll be all right. I think so. I just want to see somebody else come in. It's more fun when there's 2 or 3 in here. I don't know.
Yeah, yeah, that's it, eh?
Well, yeah, okay.
More the merrier. Naturally. She's gonna come out now, man. That log was holding her up. Oh, damn Bisco, she ain't turning, eh?
Deep there too, eh?
Hold on, once that tire kicks in, she'll go.
What?
Here,
What?
it'll go.
We gotta get on to, here maybe.
Higher ground. Okay, hold on, we'll lift the ass.
Give her a little shove.
Wow.
Yahoo! Who's next?
Wow. That's a dirty little piece. Oh, give me a chest pain. You're gonna go in head first. Holy crap, bud, you gotta go back.
Is this not the trail?
No!
Where am I supposed to be? Over there!
Over there!
Why didn't you fucking tell me that?
I know, I left, I failed to mention.
Alright. I think it'll probably be easier going back through the other way anyway.
I got a feeling. You're probably right about that. Now that we got all the logs out of there, you should be able to crawl right through.
Fuck, it's water everywhere.
And this is all
Everywhere.
water. All of it.
I didn't know that. I just didn't know that.
It's a good trail, bud. It's a good trail. Hey, Keith.
Now I gotta go back through.
I've been told it's like that all the way through.
So you want me on the other side then?
Yes, sir.
Right through the same spot.
Affirmative. Right through the same dirty spot, bud. This time with authority. You'd like to charge in, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
It's that or there. That looks good.
Decent urgent.
Yeah, be different.
I don't know.
Oh shit. Got her hung up. Not a boy. You're good. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus.
Fucking debating. I'm debating.
Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. Bastard. Nail me with that slot. The camera stayed all right. Whoa!
She's deeper there.
Yeah, she got quiet all of a sudden, real quick. She's crawling out of it though, boys. Look at that. Yeah, you can see the logs. Woo! Oh yeah. And no, boys, I ain't following them this time.
Holy fuck.
I didn't think you were gonna hit it that much, stink. Jesus, you fucking nailed me, man. Great. That was great.
Good thing you more waiters.
Oh yeah.
I got offered a fucking rain jacket.
Oh my god.
I got a deal going on right now, $20. $10 off rain jackets if anybody's interested.
Oh, good deal. Good deal.
Good deal. Just gotta get some names on there first. I thought that's the trail.
It is.
I mean, I don't see a fucking trail anywhere else.
It's gonna be. Trail's right there, I think.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Fuck, I wish you would have told me that wasn't the trail.
Yeah.
That was fucking deep there for a second, wasn't it? Yep. She came sideways. It was